Hello and welcome back to our Facebook page. Look at these beautiful birds. Let's make them. We have to roll colorful yarn like we are doing here. Like we have taken blue, white and pink yarn here. Roll it. After that we are going to remove them like this and put all of them together and tie a knot. Put the pink one as well and then tie the knot and give it a shape of bird like this. After that we are going to paste its eyes, beak, and look, your bird is ready. How beautiful this bird is looking. Look at these colorful knitted hat. Let's make it. First we are going to cut a strip of paper like this, roll it and make a ring. After that we are going to cover it with colorful yarn, tie a knot. We are using blue yarn here and look, it is ready. After that we are going to give it shape, tie it at the top using another yarn and cut it, and look, your beautiful hat is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.